With that said, we're going to wrap up by talking about our widget of the week. These are simple little things that we use in our business to either save us time, make us more money, or just help us have more fun. What do you got, dude?
I'm going to go with 2 for now, because now I'm thinking for our last piece of info in that conversation. So the first thing is HighNote, right? This is actually something Kyle introduced to me and to the rest of the team. It's a brilliant little piece of software that makes it super quick and easy to make mini customizable web pages, basically, and you make a link and you can share that information. And what you can put on these pages is video about yourself, a quick hello if you're using BombBomb. You can put PDFs, you can put links to other sites, and it's neatly organized so you can either use it as a pre-listing bomb, you can use it as a follow-up, you can use it as an offer link. I just received an offer from one of our coworkers on one of my listings, and he put a HighNote link, and I looked at it and I was like, I've never received an offer via HighNote. I know I use the HighNote, but I've never received it that way, and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. So HighNote's one of them for sure, and Client Giant is one of the things that we use to love on our clients. It's pretty plug and play. It removes a lot of the thought and effort into staying top of mind with those people that you appreciate throughout the year, and it sends them little things quarterly, and there's other programs you can do too. So those are my 2 widgets.
Cool. Yeah, if you guys want to get connected on either of those, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at Kyle Whissel, and I'll get you synced up with both of those companies. Mine is a very, very simple one today, but it's something that saves us a lot of time, especially with lockboxes. I don't know how it is in your market, but in our market, agents are idiots. And I'm not supposed to say that. Let's retract. Some agents struggle to follow directions. Let's put it that way. I could get in trouble for saying that, huh? So the thing is, agents roll up to a property and try to use the lockbox, and the lockbox doesn't work. What do? They call the listing agent. Like, the listing agent knows how to fix a freaking lockbox. Like, your lockbox isn't working.
Most of the time it's user error.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. Like, right, I'm not a tech support for a lockbox. So I just got this nice little label maker here. And I put a little message on there. It says lockbox issues, call. And I put the phone number for the lockbox support company so that people don't bug me or bug my team with stupid questions about how do I use the lockbox? Because that's not my job to teach you how to use a lockbox. And if you don't know how to get a lockbox to work, there's a phone number for that. And so just by using a little label maker and putting a label on every one of our lockboxes, that is drastic. Now, some people still won't read that because you can't make it idiot proof. But you can at least minimize the number of phone calls just by doing something simple like putting a label on a lockbox to encourage people to call the lockbox company for tech support versus the listing agent for lockbox tech support.
You can also use that for labeling so people won't guess at which box is yours.
Yeah, you can label. So if you're in like condo complex, you remember the REO days talking about that. There'd be like 50 lockboxes in one condo complex, and agents wouldn't label their box. So you like show up to show, and they're like, yeah, it's the 16th one in from the left on the 3rd row. You're like, huh? Yeah. Did you put your name on it? No, but it's 16th in 3rd row. Like, did you not think maybe other boxes are going to come and go in between them? Like, come on, man. So just get yourself a little label maker. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. So that's what I got. Mine's a little simple one. We've done like 150 of these, so we gotta resort to things like this. We got high tech, we got low tech.
Yeah, but you know what? It's just as important.
We got a little bit of everything. Yeah. So hopefully you guys got some value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See ya.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.